Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I think you all are safe and healthy. Well, students, I, Dr. Poonam Sangwan, welcome you all in our chemistry class. Students, I will teach you Skill Enhancement Course 1, which includes pesticide chemistry. So, first of all, I would like to inform you about the syllabus of this paper. This paper consists of two units, Unit 1 and Unit 2. The Unit 1 includes general introduction to pesticides, their benefits, their adverse effects, changing concepts of pesticides. And Unit 2 includes structure, activity, relationship, synthesis and uses of representative pesticides in the following classes: organochlorides, organophosphates, carbamates, quinones and anylides. Students, in exam, the question paper will consist of 5 questions in all, selecting 2 questions from each unit and 1 compulsory question. The candidate is required to attempt 3 questions in all, selecting 1 from each unit and the compulsory question number 1. So, you have to attempt overall 3 questions. The question 1 is compulsory and you have to select at 1 question from each unit. Overall, the question paper will consist of 5 questions. Okay. So, let's start our first unit, General Introduction to Pesticide. So, students, before knowing the term pesticide, you should be aware about the pests. What are pests? So, what are pests? Pests are insects or organisms which damages crop cultivation or plant product and make them unfit for human consumption. Means pests are any insect or animal that destroys our food or our crop. Okay. Now the pests are mostly plant specific. Means for example, Gandhi bug. Gandhi bug is a common pest for rice. Okay? These are plant specific. So now we will start the general introduction to pesticides. What are pesticides? Pesticides are the substance that control, suppress, prevent or repel pests. Means these are the substances which controls the pests. Here the term pest stand in pesticide, the pest stand for the insects and sides, this sides meaning to kill, for killing the pests. So pesticide term, overall meaning of this term is that the chemicals or substances which are used for killing or controlling the pests. Now, a pesticide may be a chemical substance. This may be a biological agent such as bacteria and virus, antimicrobial, disinfectant or device. These chemicals or substance may be natural or man-made. Okay, the pesticides can be natural or man-made. Now, classification. On the basis of the pest controlled by the chemicals, the pesticides may be classified as insecticides. The insecticides are the pesticides which control insect pest. Second, fungicide. The fungicides are those pesticides which works against the fungal disease. Molecucides against mollusks, snails and slugs. Rodenticides are the pesticides which are used for rodents. Rodents includes rats and mice. Next, pesticides are used for fish, means these are used against fish. Nematicides are used against roundworms. The herbicides used against unwanted plants. Avicides used against birds. Algicides used against algae. Bactericides used against bacteria. And miticides used against mites and ticks. So this students, this is the classification on the basis of the pests controlled by the pesticides. Okay, then we will do next classification of pesticides on the basis of source from which they are obtained. So on the basis of source, the pesticides are divided in two categories: the natural pesticides and the synthetic pesticides. Natural pesticides, the pesticides which are derived from plants. For example, nicotine, this is obtained from tobacco. Rotenone, this is extracted from certain legume roots. And pyrethrin, this is obtained from some flowers such as chrysanthemum. Now, synthetic pesticides. Synthetic pesticides are the products that are produced from chemical alteration. Means these are man-made. For example, DDT. Now, the advantage of the natural pesticides. The natural advantage of natural pesticide is that these natural pesticides are biodegradable. These are biodegradable and do not cause any harm to other substances and do not cause water pollution, etc. Now, the advantage of synthetic pesticides, the synthetic pesticides control a specific type of pests. These control specific type of pests, and but the synthetic pesticides are harmful. ठीक है, these affects environment and health of animals and humans. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.